The sum of the two angles is pi radians and the difference is 60 degrees. Find the measures in degrees. So let the angles be x and y. The of two angles sum of two angles is pi radians. Therefore, x plus y is equal to pi radians. तो हम इसे पहले डिग्रीज में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. तो x plus y is equal to 5 pi into 180 upon pi degrees. तो ये कैंसिल होके x plus y is equal to 900 degrees. तो ये इक्वेशन फर्स्ट हुआ. The difference of two angles is 60 degrees. So x minus y is equal to 60 degrees. Is second equation here. Now add first and second equation. So x plus y is equal to 900 degrees and x minus y is equal to 60 degrees. तो ये दोनों कैंसिल हुआ. तो 2x is equal to 960. Therefore, x is equal to 480 degrees. अभी हम y फाइंड आउट करेंगे. Put x is equal to 480 degrees in equation first. So x plus y is equal to 900 degrees. Therefore, 480 degrees plus y is equal to 900 degrees. So y is equal to 900 minus 480 degrees. So y is equal to 420 degrees. Therefore, required angles are 480 degrees and 420 degrees. So please